I'm not going to talk much about this. The mythological representation of chaos is just the attempt to represent the place that everything comes from before there's any divisions between anything. I don't want to get into that right now. But from the mythological perspective, this is how the world. This is a creation myth, basically. The original thing splits into two components, one of which is the unknown, and the other of which is the known. Now the known has this structure. It's a story. So if you know something, you know the story that goes along with it, which means that if you know it, if you know a territory, if you've explored a territory, it means you know how to act there. That's all that I'm trying to emphasize here. And myth, from the mythological perspective, the world is constructed of three things. One is all those things that you don't know. That's the domain of the unpredictable. And it has a priori motivational significance, which basically means that on first contact it scares the hell out of you, and then it makes you curious if you stick around long enough. First face it reveals is the one that makes you anxious. That's unexplored territory. That's the dark forest, barbarian lands, dark water, the land of the dead. Tiamat as well. Tiamat's a dragon from Mesopotamian creation myth from which everything comes, basically. Anything frightening, anything threatening, anything that makes you run away, anything that's in the dark, anything that's unfamiliar, that all constitutes the unknown from the mythological perspective. That's half the world. It's a division between chaos and order, basically. From the mythological perspective, that's what the universe is composed of. Chaos is divided from order, and that's the world. You live in order, hopefully. Chaos surrounds you, like the ocean surrounds an island, fundamentally. That's what this diagram is basically trying to represent. The known, the great father, that's culture. The village, the nation, explored territory, the city, the family, the king, the predictable. That's where you live. That's where everything has been transformed from chaos into order, where everything can be predicted. And it sits on top of the unknown.